Ultimate Fishing Trip Guide. Success on the water isn't luck, it's planning. The best anglers prepare before they cast a line. Study your gear, know the water, and understand the fish. Preparation is what separates empty hands from a prized catch. Watch the weather, learn the patterns, and adapt your approach. Every detail matters. The more you plan, the more rewarding your time on the water will be. Like what you see? Subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos for more practical tips and honest reviews. Picking the right place and time is science, not guesswork. It's about understanding the environment, the fish, and how they interact. Success in fishing isn't just about luck. It's about making informed decisions based on available data and observations. Consider it a strategic game where knowledge is your most powerful tool. Fish change behavior with the seasons. Their activity levels, feeding habits, and preferred habitats all fluctuate as the water temperature and daylight hours shift. Understanding these seasonal changes is crucial for predicting where and when to find your target species. Summer heat drives them deeper or into shade. As the sun beats down, fish seek cooler, darker areas to escape the intense heat and sunlight. This could mean moving to deeper waters, hiding under docks or vegetation, or seeking out shaded areas along the shoreline. Early mornings and late evenings are prime times, offering cooler temperatures and lower light levels that encourage fish to become more active. These periods often coincide with increased feeding activity, making them ideal for anglers. When fish feed actively, they are more likely to be on the hunt for food during these times, increasing your chances of getting a bite. This is when they are less cautious and more willing to strike at lures or bait. Not all waters are equal. Some bodies of water offer better habitat, food sources, and overall conditions for fish than others. Factors like water clarity, depth, and the presence of vegetation can all influence the distribution and behavior of fish. Deeper lakes and moving rivers offer refuge in the heat. These areas provide cooler temperatures and more oxygenated water, making them attractive to fish seeking relief from the summer heat. Research your target species and their summer habits. Understanding their preferred food sources, spawning patterns, and habitat preferences will significantly increase your chances of success. Match your timing and location to their patterns. By aligning your fishing efforts with the natural rhythms of your target species, you can maximize your opportunities for success. Every species and spot has its own rhythm, a unique set of conditions and behaviors that dictate when and where they are most active and accessible. Learn it. Take the time to observe, experiment, and gather information about the specific species and locations you are targeting. The right timing and place turn effort into results. By carefully selecting your fishing location and timing your trip to coincide with peak activity periods, you can transform a day of casting into a memorable and rewarding fishing experience. Modern anglers have powerful tools. Use them. Apps and online maps reveal underwater structures and hotspots. Tap into local reports and forums for up-to-date tips. Always check fishing regulations, size limits, seasons, and licenses. Laws protect fish in your trip. Know them before you cast. A few minutes of research can save you from fines and frustration. Smart use of tech and knowledge keeps your trip smooth and legal. Pack light, but pack smart. Wear sun-protective, breathable clothing and polarized sunglasses. Tailor your tackle to your target and fishing style. Safety gear is non-negotiable. Life jackets, water, sunscreen, and a weather plan. Bring only essentials: pliers, net, cooler, and plenty of water. Check the forecast and let someone know your plans. If camping, secure your food and shelter. Preparation keeps you safe, comfortable, and focused on fishing. The best fishing moments, the ones you'll recount for years to come, are rarely a matter of chance. They're built on preparation, on the meticulous planning and attention to detail that transforms a simple outing into an extraordinary experience. It's about setting the stage for success before you even cast your line. Not luck. Luck might play a small part, but consistent success stems from informed choices and proactive measures. Smart planning puts you in the right place, understanding the fish's habits, the water's currents, and the seasonal patterns. At the right time, when conditions are optimal and the fish are most active, increasing your chances of a rewarding catch. with the right gear. Having the appropriate rod, reel, line, and lures tailored to the specific species and environment is crucial. Technology and research help you find fish, providing valuable insights into their location, depth, and behavior, and follow the rules. Respecting regulations ensures the sustainability of the fishery and protects the environment for future generations. Safety and comfort. Prioritizing your well-being with appropriate clothing, safety equipment, and comfortable seating lets you enjoy the adventure worry-free. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience and appreciate the tranquility of nature. Good planning means you're ready for surprises. Equipped to handle unexpected weather changes, equipment malfunctions, or challenging fishing conditions, and can focus on the experience. With the groundwork laid, you're free to concentrate on the art of angling, the subtle nuances of the water, and the thrill of the chase. The real reward isn't just the catch, it's about the journey, the connection with nature, and the personal growth that comes from overcoming challenges. It's the memories you create, the shared laughter, the camaraderie, and the stories you'll tell around the campfire for years to come. Invest in preparation, take the time to research, gather your gear, and plan your route, and every trip becomes unforgettable. Each carefully considered detail contributes to a richer, more rewarding experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Enjoyed this guide? Hit subscribe and join Fred's No Frills videos for more straightforward, no-nonsense content.